Hi, welcome to GlideFX. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you on how to check DM on Instagram profile. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure your Instagram app is updated. If you think it's not updated, you can go to your Play Store or App Store to update it. Or if you're not seeing this feature that I'm about to show you, you have to go to your Play Store or App Store to update your Instagram in order to see this feature. Now, the first is for you to log in. The next is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. You're going to see the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Click on it. So from here, all you have to do is to scroll gently, click on messages and story replies. You're going to see message request. Click on it. From here, you have to turn the toggle close to allow access to message. Also, you have to make sure you allow everyone to send message requests. You also have to allow group to add you to their group chats. Everyone should add you to their group chat. Having turned all this toggle here, the next thing you have to do is to go back. You're going to see the center icon here. Just click on it. So from here, you're going to see all the DMs that you want to see from this section. You can see all the DMs from this section. So guys, that is it on how to check DM on Instagram profile. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GlideFX for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.